Mani, PKI. You can use AmpCon to automate day-to-day policy enforcement in group of switches. It scales very well, makes configuration consistent across switches without any error. Let us see how to do it. So it's a two-step process. You create a group of switches and then you push the policy to those group of switches. So let us see how to do it. I logged into the AmpCon. I am in lifecycle group management. I click select all, and then I select the two spine switches that I want to push policy, these two, and click create group. Since I already created, I'm going to show you the group that I created. It's called a spine switches group, and it has got two PicoSv switches. Now let me show you how to push policies to this group of switch. You go to config templates, config files view, and then here, let us say we want to push like SNMP version 3 configuration to the spine switch group. So you right click here, click add node, and then give it a name, and then give it a description, and then select the platform and click save. I have already done this. It is in here, SNMP v3 config. So you cut and paste the configuration you want to do, after clicking edit, and then you click save. So this is a saved configuration. Currently, I'm going to push the config. So I'm clicking push config, select config groups, and I'm selecting spine switches group, and I'm clicking push. So it takes a few seconds to get the policies pushed. Right here, you see the policy was pushed with the dialog button. Now let us test it. So I go into the SNMP server. I'm giving the IP of the first spine switch, and I'm querying, this is the platform model name. That is what I'm querying. This MIB corresponds to, give me the platform name. So I run this. It is doing a SNMP walk, sending it to the switch, and then we got back AS581254X H-core switch. So that is a quick integration test on day-to-day policy enforcement.